Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to use our priming serum that launched a few weeks ago, and I'm just getting around to sharing it. So the cool thing about this product is it is both a primer, but it also has skincare benefits. So you can see in here maybe that there are thousands of little tiny bubbles, which are jojoba esters that are actually suspended in a tripeptide serum. So it has hyaluronic acid, so it's going to be great for like helping to plump the skin, to smooth your complexion, but also going to work like a primer with holding your makeup and making it last and stay. So when you're going to use this is your last step in your skincare and the first step in your makeup. So I put on the vitamin C serum and then the brightening oil, and this was my moisturizer. So you're going to apply the serum after your moisturizer, the priming serum. So what you do is I'm going to use 2 pumps, and you can see it's translucent. It does have mica in it, which is just gives it a little bit of this beautiful translucent look. And you can leave it like this, or you can. So it does have the mica in it, which gives it a little bit of a glow and a little bit of a shimmer. You can see I don't have anything on top of it. This is just natural light in front of my window, but you can see that there's definitely like a little bit of luminosity, which I just love. And I love that you can wear it by itself, or you can continue with your makeup routine and you can put your dew skin on top of it or your foundation. So it's really flexible, and I love that you can do both, and that has great skincare benefits. I love that you can wear it by itself, or you can continue with your makeup routine and you can put your dew skin on top of it or your foundation. So it's really flexible, and I love that you can do both, and that has great skincare benefits.